Cuckoo! Smells bad. Why? Quality. Why not? I'm sorry, but I'm being honest. Hopsy Foxies, today we're unboxing one of the most beautiful, the most adorable makeup brand ever. And I'm not even exaggerating, because you already know it's Flower Nose. You know Flower Nose? Chinese luxury makeup brand that literally looks like an art. Every product feels like it's something you see in museum. So today I'm doing a full unboxing of their new spring-summer collection. I'll also compare the products with the previous launches, so you can actually decide if it's worth your money or if it's something similar and you don't need it. Get ready for the super aesthetic moment. Like, follow, and let's start. Hopsy Foxies, I'm Stasya and I'm a beauty content creator, and I'm just starting doing long form videos on YouTube. So if you'd like to support me, please like and leave any comment, it will really help me. Thank you so much. Let's get into it. This Flower Nose collection is called Bunny Garden, and it's not just random. It's giving Easter vibes. I love Easter, the most wonderful holiday. Spring, pre-summer, so the perfect period for little bunny cuties. And honestly, who doesn't love bunnies? Who doesn't love cute little things? The brand really knows their audience. Because of that Flower Nose, they get us. Okay, the box is huge. I think this is the biggest PR package I've ever received. You could literally fit a microwave in here. Let's open it. Flower Nose always does these super detailed PR boxes. They look like little doll houses or mini furniture pieces. I already have two of them. One of them I gifted to my friend, and I actually utilize all of the houses they sent me. I would literally buy just houses without makeup even, because they are cute. They are really cute. One of them I utilized as a place for cables. It works, and my husband helped me to do this. And the second I just use as a wardrobe, as a little wardrobe for my makeup. And this one is going to my collection too. It looks shocking. The most realistic French wardrobe in a pink cute color. Look at this. Okay, let's start unboxing with the first tray. They have different trays for different type of makeup. It's a bit messy due to delivery. Oh, a bit messy. I see the purple one. Yes, that's a mirror. Could I even imagine that in my 28 I will be so happy to see this cute little mirror with bunnies. But I believe the most beautiful one is from the previous Shell collection. I don't know, what do you think? Oh my! This is brush, not a blush. It smells Temu. Wow, cute, cute, cute little charm. It's a mirror. You can attach it to your bag. This is something new. We have dual-sided cushion puffs. You can actually squeeze them, and this is much more convenient than just sponges. I like it. Cute little bag. I will use it like a wallet, or you know, for my women pets. I'm not even joking. I will use it for sanitary pads. Like, why not? Let's move on. The second tray is kind of messy. Anyway, despite the mess, I wanna say this is really quality. This is the quality. And we all know these bad stereotypes about Chinese products. Unfortunately, most of the Chinese products are stereotypically being compared to Temu or AliExpress, but Flower Nose is a luxury cosmetics, and this is a really quality cosmetics. Ta-da! Oh, wow! We have something new. This time they actually did something new. For the first time ever, Flower Nose released base products, like cushion foundations. They are trying to be inclusive. They created a range of shades from very fair to the deeper shades. I'm not going to review the deeper shades because, you know, I wouldn't be able to give a fair or accurate opinion. I'll focus on the lighter shades to match my pale skin. Usually, many foundation doesn't work on my skin because I do really have a pale skin, and many of the foundations or concealers are given pink or given yellow or even given orange on my skin. This is a really pain. Oh wow! Why is this so beautiful? Where is it? Where is the hole inside? This is so beautiful. Look at this. Wow! Cuckoo! So many details, even in the cushion itself. Smells bad, to be honest. Oh, it's kinda liquid. Oh no, look at this. I don't know why it's so liquid, because I'm trying to squeeze, trying to take this, and why? It gives nothing. Okay, it looks better on my face. Let's try one more time with my hand. Okay, yeah, much better. Maybe the first seconds was not that promising, but now you can see it works. I don't know. On the one hand, I'm really glad they're trying something new, they're experimenting, but this one is definitely not the best. If I apply it to my face, it will crease and saturate every wrinkle I have. Look at this. This is cushion foundation. Well, the experiment failed. I'm sorry, but I'm being honest. The next product, eyeshadow palettes. We have 3 of them in this launch. 2 of them are quite nude and this one is more pinkish. Pink bunny. This is really beautiful. This is so beautiful. Piece of art. Oh, it smells chocolate. Okay, to be honest, I'm not the big fan of Flower Nose eye palettes because they are quite same every time and they are not super pigmented. Wow. Okay, the pink one is more pigmented. Approved. I will show you the eye palette from the previous collection and I think they are similar. Which eyeshadow collection do you prefer more? But the quality again is amazing. The next, we have so many boxes of blushes, different blushes. Let's try them. I think Flower Nose really loves blushes and I do love too. I have so many different blushes, powder blushes, cream blushes. So thank you so much Flower Nose that you do so many shades in blush. Heart. Look at this shade. I'm obsessed with this color. I don't know if camera shows you the color. Fresh and really light peach shade. I think it doesn't work on deepest shades of skin tone, but for the pale skin, I think it looks perfect. Really gives a fresh vibe. I think Flower Nose knows how to do blush. One of my favorite. Let's try the purple one. Again, let's compare with the previous collection. Okay, this is more bright. Baby pink color. Oh, this is super bright one. Surprising. Afraid to try it on my skin right now. It's almost red. Oh, but I actually do have blush blindness, so it's a bit dangerous for me to use this type of blush. But I think even if I have blush blindness, this is too much. I can't even feel it through the camera. And I completely forgot about this detail. This cute little thing should go to the house. Oops, voila. Cute little hair clips. This is so cute, it's so fluffy. It's actually a fluffy bunny. Why not? Alice in Wonderland, little clock. Wow, it has a mirror. It also can be as a charm. Smells? Nothing. The pink one is white. Wow. 8 products. I'm just obsessed. Oh, wow. Oh. I love the smell. Oh, wow. Beautiful and perfect match to my lip liner. The velvet texture is really perfect. It's not creasing, it's not cracking on my lips. I have kinda dry lips, I know what I'm telling about. Let's compare all the shades. I love lip products from Flower Nose. They're honestly so good at making them. In their last collection they had a really nice hydrating tint. This collection lipsticks are matte but still super comfortable. Kind of velvet and not drying at all. All the shades are pretty different and versatile. And I can't even decide which color, which shade do I like more. They are all really good. This is 100% recommendation. I do love all of them, all of the shades. And I'm really glad they do have purple packaging. 3 shades of eyeliner. The liner itself for sharp eye wings. And here, brush. So you basically do your eyeliner and then you can blend it. Okay, something new. Light pink shade and something close to black. Oops! I've broken it. Stasya, you're the most clumsiest person in the world. Let's try again. One more time. Why it's so easy to break? But we can see it's easy to blend. Maybe not the best product, or maybe I just can't use it properly. Whew. That's it. I think we've checked the whole new collection and it took me, I think, about 3 hours to check everything in this box. I do have my favorites and of course we have the fail products like a cushion. I would not recommend to buy them now. Maybe in few months they will improve the formula and it will be better. But for now, let's skip it. Which product do you like more? And thank you so much for watching my video. Leave a comment, what would you buy from the new collection? Or what would you definitely skip? I would be really happy to receive your comment and your opinion. See you next video!